So the today my topic of uh, discussion is mesothelioma lawsuit. As a mesothelioma lawsuit may end with a settlement or a verdict. A settlement is an agreement that the partner to a lawsuit come to among themselves. The details of a settlement agreement are often kept private. Settlement may occur before, during, and sometimes even after trial. A verdict is a discussion made by a judge or jury at the end of the trial. The decision determines companies' asbestos liability. Accepting a mesothelioma settlement offered by an asbestos company provides guaranteed compensation. Accepting a mesothelioma settlement offered by an asbestos company provides guaranteed compensation. A settlement is given in exchange for the patient or their loved ones agreeing to end the lawsuit. Those who, for the patient or their loved ones, agreeing to end the lawsuit, those who win a trial usually receives higher compensation than those who settle, but they also risk receiving. So this is my discussion about mesothelioma lawsuit. We have discussed in detail the topic of mesothelioma lawsuit. Hope so. It will be beneficial for you. Thank you so much.